secured in All India rank 63 in UPSC Civil Services Exam 2023. This was my third attempt, and even before this, in my second attempt, I made it into the UPSC reserve list and finally got into DANX. And now my journey has been of 3 attempts and 4 years. I still remember I started preparing on 7th of May 2020, and when I started preparing, the first thing which I did, I believe it was finalizing a book list for me. And I was fortunate enough to finalize books like Indian Polity by Laxmikanth and Indian Art and Culture by Nitin Singhania sir. So I believe these books, they played a backbone to my preparation, and finalizing these books in the early phase of my preparation, it helped me streamline my preparation in a very dedicated and focused manner. Indian Polity by Laxmikanth sir needs no introduction. It is, of course, the Bible in the field of polity for all UPSC aspirants, and it provided a comprehensive understanding of all the issues pertaining to Indian polity, whether it be constitutional bodies, whether it be the office of the President, the Prime Minister, etc. etc. So this was the only source I believe I used for Indian polity, and of course, whether it be the prelims or the main stage or even the interview, I felt no need of going to any other source except Indian Polity by Laxmikanth sir. And I can personally attest to the fact that I have revised this book over 25 times. And moving on, another book by McGraw-Hill's, which is Nitin Singhania sir's Indian Art and Culture. It provides a very in-depth understanding of various facets of Indian art and culture, whether it be the temple architecture, the Gupta architecture, the Mauryan architecture, Buddhism, Jainism, Indian circus, Indian martial arts, etc. etc. So I believe that finding all these aspects in a very comprehensive, in a very collected fashion, it is very difficult and very essential, in fact, in the preparation for this exam. And McGraw-Hill does an excellent job by bringing this book together. And even the level of understanding, the level of facts, the knowledge contained in this book, I believe that is unparalleled, and I could find no other source which had such an excellent depth of coverage. Apart from this, once again, I would like to thank McGraw-Hill for compiling such excellent books. And also I would like to thank my parents, my family, my friends, and of course the Almighty God for being my support system throughout my preparation, and for playing essential components, essential parts in the preparation of this exam. And with this, I would like to convey my best wishes to all the future UPSC Civil Services aspirants. And as the prelims 2024 is approaching, I would like to give a message to you all that limit your sources, limit your books, and maximize your revisions. This is an age-old saying that minimum sources, maximum revisions is the key to this examination. And having some experience in this exam now, I can attest to the fact that this saying is totally correct. So be focused, be disciplined, be consistent, and all the very best. Thank you. Namaste. Bye-bye.